Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this 2-in-1 jump starter air compressor. So come on my friends, let's go ahead and show you guys what you get. So guys, it comes in this really nice carrying case, so that is a big plus. Alright guys, so you get your alligator clamps. So positive is going to get connected to positive, negative is going to be connected to negative, and then this is going to connect inside your power station. It gets your charging cable in here, also your air compressor line in there. And let's get to the jumper. So guys, this is a heavy duty, high powered jumper. It's 2500 amps, so this is going to be great for, it says up to 8.5 liter gasoline engines and up to 6.5 liter diesel. 150 max PSI it can go up to. You have a type C charging port, you have the air compressor port, you have a flashlight, you also have a USB port as well. So very nice. When you're connecting to jump your vehicle, oh by the way, all your buttons are on the front here, so you can turn it on by pressing that. You then set your pressure. You can set whatever pressure you want. So, plug in your jumper right through here. So it's going to be right in here. Once plugged in, you're going to be able to see, it's going to say standby and it's going to say the volts, which is 15.4. Once you connect it to your battery, you're then going to connect the positive to positive, negative to negative on your battery terminals. Red is positive, black is negative, and then go ahead and start your vehicle. Overall, it's a very nice, heavy duty, high powered jumper.